Hello viewers, welcome to Tuhin's editing, and today we are going to make a simple logo intro in Adobe After Effects. It will be an animated intro which will be like 10 second. So it will look like this. So you can see it's very simple, and if you follow the steps you can make it exactly like I made. So coming up,
Bring the madness.
to make this animated intro you need to have the background ready and the logo in PNG format. Of course you can use the Adobe Illustrator or Adobe Photoshop file as long as it has transparent background. So first we need to make the composition. It will be 1920 and 180, I mean full HD. So and the duration will be 10 second. We'll make this animation 10 second. I press OK. So the composition is ready. Now we need to import the files, the background and the logo. So I'll just select the logo and background and drag them into After Effects. Now I'll place the background and I'll just press the lock button so that it cannot be moved. Now I'll place the PNG logo over the background. I want the logo in the middle, so I guess it's pretty much in the middle. Right now I'm going to set the project and the logo seems look perfectly positioned. Now we're going to make the logo animated. So first of all I'm going to place the timeline bar into 6 seconds and I'll place this cube button. It will allow this layer to be manipulated in 3 dimensions. So I'm going to add 3D effect on the logo, so it has to be checked. Make sure you click on the cube button and open up the bottom menu. You can see there are different options there like position, anchor point. So I'm making one position keyframe and on orientation keyframe. After that we're going to get some effects on the logo. So we are going on effects and presets. It's taking some time. Okay, now just type in this FX name. You can see the card wipe. I'll add that onto the logo. As you can see, there are some new options added on the left side on FX control. We're going to make the transition to 100% and on this 25%. It's not working, my bad. We have to make the changes on the effects of card wipe, but currently we are making the transformation, so it's not working. We need to make the effects here, the card wipe menu, make one keyframe and make it to 25% and make another keyframe make the column 0, my bad, make the rows 0 and push it to the last keyframe. You can see it's already animating. Push it to the last keyframe and I think we're good to go. It's animating. You can make other changes too. Let's make the orientation of the first keyframe a little different. Rotate it as you want. So some more animation effects has been added on it, as you can see. Make another scale keyframe and another on the beginning, and on the first keyframe make it bigger so that it goes around the screen. And you can see it's simply getting smaller from the beginning. One more thing we can do is make the opacity. Make two keyframe from beginning to end. I think not end, the middle looks good, and the first keyframe of opacity will be like 40. Let's see which one looks better. Yeah, this is fine, I guess. So you can see it's rotating, it's getting smaller, and it's having opacity from 0 to 100%. The animation looks good to me. Pretty much simple. Yeah, it looks great, I guess. And I'm also giving away this template. You can use your own logo by just clicking on the template and replace it. Okay, now I think this part is done. Now we are going to add a text. First locking this logo layer. I'm typing my gaming clan's name. Moves on fire. The color, we need to change the color. Maybe the same color as logo. Nope. Maybe white. I think white will look good. Placed it on the center, as you can see, and now we are going to add some animation on the text too. To do that, we are going to the logo should start from here. After the text should start from here after the logo intro is done. Let's make cascade, the cascade one. I'm going to add Y cascade on the text. Just simply drag and drop and it will work. As you can see, some animation on the text too. Pretty much simple. Just saving the project one more time, and you can see let's add some light on the logo. It's called light sweep. Just drag and drop on the logo, and right now it looks so bad. We need to fix that. So here's the light sweep. We are going to change the rotation. Basically it goes it looks good when you give the rotation according to the logo size. Right now it looks good. So light sweep also need to be animated with keyframe. So we're going to make the first keyframe, the last keyframe will be there, and we're moving the logo, we're moving the light outside the logo, and we're going to make another keyframe here, but we are not going to animate that. We're going to the next keyframe. You can use page up and page down to get the complete and accurate keyframe. I'm using page down to move to the next keyframe, and I'm going to increase the width, some opacity, I guess. In the full graphics it looks too bright. I think I will decrease it a little. Let's see. Okay, seems good. And now in this keyframe I'm going to turn the light click to the bottom, so the animation will be from top left to bottom right. Yes, I think I will need to move one more time. Another keyframe, and another movement. Okay, I think this looks good. I'll just decrease the opacity. I guess it's like right now it's too bright. Okay, I think I will decrease the opacity. You can tweak as you want, as you feel it looks good. Up to you. I don't think every logo will look on these settings, so you can of course use your own imagination. So this is pretty much it, the simple logo in intro in Adobe After Effects. I'm going to attach the project file so you can download and use it very easily. I hope this will be a good tutorial for you. And to render, just go to composition, add to render queue, and go to output resolution, to quick time, resize it to 1920 into 180, and pretty much it. Just decide where you want to save the animation, rename it, and press render. That's it, pretty much. This is the logo intro. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Make sure you subscribe my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Happy designing.